Today I'm going to show you how I make Biscoff crepes. These are so easy to make and taste so good. So I just dumped everything in a bowl and whisked it together. I'll leave the quantities in the description box below. I then brushed the pan with melted butter and poured some of the batter into the pan. Then I just left it there for a few minutes and I kept checking from the sides to see if it was ready to be flipped. Once it was a golden brown, I flipped it over for a few minutes. Once they were ready, I stacked a few of them up and I used a heart cookie cutter to cut them out.
Holding hands, smell your hair for a second, just like I used to do.
I then spread Biscoff cookie butter in between each crepe.
Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name. But I never wanted things to be this way, this way.
Here I have some melted milk chocolate, and I'm just going to pour this all over the crepes. Dark chocolate to pipe some lines across the heart, and I'm going to do this with white chocolate too.
It's so hard, so damn hard to forget you, and no words could explain how I miss you, girl.
I then got a toothpick and just pulled the chocolate down to make the pattern. Decorated this with some fresh strawberries and Biscoff biscuits. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments below.